of breathing. In rebirthing breath work, we are going to do something called conscious connected breathing or circular breathing. Ideally, what we are going to do is we are going to do all the three: diaphragm breathing, middle chest breathing, and upper chest breathing. Like we take in more breath and fill our lungs and release. Take in more breath, fill our lungs and then release. We are going to, this is a conscious connected breathing. Right? So, it is also called circular breathing. This technique through breath brings in more life force into our bodies than usual. So, breath is the source of our life force, prana energy. So, this brings in more life force, more prana into our bodies. And this extra life force energy may appear in the body as heat, pressure, cold, tingling sensations, electric currents, vibration and other body sensations you can witness. In this state, body takes in more oxygen than usual and which changes the CO2 level in our brain. This will create a kind of trance inside us, like a self-induced trance. Due to this activity, you enter a self-induced trance state where memories, pictures, emotions or body sensations can surface. These things which are in the past can surface, and for you to review it and release it and integrate it. Okay? In this state, you are the experiencer as well as the observer of the past incidents that may emerge, enabling you to release and reinterpret what happened in the past from a newly conscious and fresh perspective. So you change some perspectives during the process. You don't do it consciously, but your breath will make you do that. So automatically it connects to your inner wisdom, inner intelligence, and inner intelligence will start guiding you. Okay, you need not worry about how to get a new perspective, what memory is it, which past life, what dress I am wearing. You need not worry about anything. You just need to do conscious connected breathing, and whatever is surfacing, allow it. So everything breath does. Breath is our tool for transformation. Okay? Accumulated life force loosens up stored blockages held in the body, physical, emotional, mental and spiritual bodies. In all bodies, whatever blockages are there, this will uncover. This life force will uncover it, will bring it to the surface. The experiences during this time may range from physical sensations of pain or pleasure, release of the body blockages through heat or energy movement, to release of emotions like sadness, anger. You may shout, you may cry, you can do whatever you want. No one are going to watch you, no one are going to judge you during this process. We are actually trying to deal with our own issues. Okay? There may be realizations of dysfunctional thought patterns or new thought connections and insights, and deeply and spiritual or energetic experiences can also happen. Okay, so you should not be worried. You need not be worried. You are in a safe environment for you to explore your own self. Okay? So give yourself that permission.
Yes.
Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
So give yourself a huge clap. So we'll still understand some more aspects before going into this. So rebirthing is not an intellectual process. Nothing is to do with our own intelligence, what knowledge we have, what books we have read. So we can keep aside everything. It does not rely on logical activity or rationality for its effectiveness. And even unintellectual people can also, uneducated people also can do it. It is not possible to predict or direct what will come up. So it is not like I am going to deal with this like this. Whatever is surfacing, we'll have to deal with it. Okay? And the breath accesses the inner wisdom of the body, allowing it to heal itself. Learning to let in more love is the most challenging and rewarding work we do as human beings. See, this breath, this life energy is going to make us love ourselves more. Like it is letting in that energy, letting in that love. But we are very much afraid. Right? We are not afraid of someone else, we are afraid of our own past. We are afraid of our own memories. So just try to be safe, feel safe, and have the courage to break through those patterns. Okay? You need not worry. Whatever the blocks are surfacing, you need not worry like, now I'm going to deal with all this headache. Now I'm going to deal with all these issues in my life. No, don't worry. Whatever is coming to surface, breath will dissolve it. Only thing is you need not stop breathing. You can continue breathing. I will be reminding you to do that. You can continue, like whenever something is surfacing, some pain is surfacing, or something is surfacing, don't stop breathing. Ideally, our goal is to get natural breathing, like what we have forgotten, the real breathing. So really we have to get through that, get that space. So like first time how we can feel, like it feels like sometimes like after rebirthing we feel like we are taking in the breath first time. We feel like fresh, we feel new, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. So you need not worry about something is surfacing. Allow it to surface, and your job is to only breathe. Whatever is, if you want to shout, you can shout, but you need not carry it away with it. It's not about the experience that is important. The more important thing is you continuing that process. These blocks get dissolved gently and in a non-confronted way. The more we allow this process to happen, the quicker emotional healing occurs. Here all the resistance is coming from us. Okay? So only thing is we need to let go of those resistances, and we need to be courageous enough to really find what is inside.
Yes.
That divinity, that real you, that true self. It is important while rebirthing to take responsibility for everything we experience. It is like whatever is surfacing, we have to take responsibility. You cannot hide things. You cannot keep it in the dark. So bring it to the surface. Take responsibility of your own past. Okay? And if we are always trying to avoid certain memories or feelings, we spend a lot of time unconsciously avoiding living major portions of our lives. If you are saying, I don't want to deal this today, you are not going to, it is like, it is always there. Always it is trying to control you unconsciously. So the whole point here is avoid resistance and be courageous enough to transform, to really break through and really get to those states which you truly deserve. And what we resist persists. We are resisting something, it is nothing like, it is not there. Will be there. Allowing the rebirthing process with our conscious interference usually produces the best results. Without conscious interference. Like you need not bring your conscious mind. Okay, what am I going to do? Who are watching me? So we'll switch off the cameras, we'll switch off everything. So we are not going to record anything of your experiences, and you are given complete freedom, and no one will watch you. Everyone will be a little bit far. No one will watch you, and you are given complete freedom. And be with yourself. Go to core areas of yourself. Take that light within the darkest region.
Yes.
Okay. Trust the strength and clarity of the technique. to ultimate healing. You can trust it.